Lubbock's county judge can now argue cases before the U.S. Supreme Court. Chief Justice John Roberts affirmed Judge Curtis Parrish's appointment to the Supreme Court bar. It's an elite group of constitutional attorneys who debate cases focused on the powers and limitations of all levels of government. Judge Parrish says it's vital for Lubbock County to have someone well-versed in the high court.
The county in our law enforcement agencies and how we deal with anybody literally out in the street, even things as simple as our workers and workers' compensation and our employees are all based under U.S. constitutional law.
Judge Parrish's legal background is in estate law, probates, and guardianships. In the event a case involving Lubbock County goes before the highest court in the land, Parrish says he would have one part among many in representing it.